Lot 11, nature's wooded private lot. Fronts on cul-de-sac. Godalming is a premier neighborhood in Greene County with values protected by architectural review. Owner financing, 20% DP, 5%, 15 years amort, 5 years balloon. Common picnic area pavilion in this subdivision. Enjoy MTN views and farmland driving in and out. Layout of Lot 11, T3-1, 2.03 acres allows for a 4-bedroom septic. Min of 2,700 square feet of above-ground living space is reqd. Plat available. Godalming stands for God Almighty. Lot 11 has part of a right-of-way over it for Lot 25 that's a part of Godalming but fronts on Thomas Road.